So today we are using the Meater Plus Thermometer, and if you're not familiar with the Meater Plus Thermometer, it's a perfect thermometer for cooking with reverse seared steaks, even for roasts, for anything really that's not extended duration, right? I don't like to use it for low and slow. I really like to use it just ready for roast or reverse sear. So if you're not familiar with it, it comes in a small box like that, and you has the charger. We've got ours currently inside a ribeye in the Weber reverse searing, and I've just put it in. And how you can do is you set it up on the app. Basically, you can set your temperatures how you want it, the target. So I've got it set at a 55-degree target for a medium rare to medium. Currently, the ambient inside the Weber is about 100 degrees Celsius. So obviously a nice low temperature for smoking. And currently it's just saying there estimating cook time. I have just put it into the Weber, so it'll take a few minutes before it actually tells me how long it's going to be before it's ready. And it'll notify me so I can go and watch the cricket or do something else and come back out when it's ready.